Hey. Good day, my friends. This is our new vacuum machine. It's very expensive, so don't break it. This is a lever to keep the door closed. You know, to keep the hatch closed. Don't use it when vacuuming because it can break. It can break this piston that is opening the door. You can see the door is opening by itself. So, first, when you start, you press this button. It's gonna start. It makes its own process, and now you have 99 here written. That is the percentage of vacuum. 99% of vacuum. So when you wanna change that, you go like this. You have to press a little bit longer when you want to change that, but it's not necessary to change that because we're going to use 99%. This is seal. That means that 2 seconds is going to seal. You can change also that, but for first we're going to have 2 seconds seal, so we're going to check. When you close it, it's going to start like this and work it until 99, because it has a sensor when it reaches the vacuum. When it reaches the vacuum, it's gonna seal and stop. So, okay, when you wanna stop vacuuming, you press this. It's gonna stop and seal. And now it's gonna open by itself. You're gonna hear that sound, it's gonna open. And when you wanna, now it's vacuuming, and when you wanna stop everything without sealing, you just press stop. That is how we do it, like that. Here you have, once a week we're gonna press this so the oil pump can clean itself. It says C cleaning. You close it and it lasts 15 minutes. Of course, when you wanna stop it, you press stop. Stop means stopping every function. Now I'm gonna show you how to vacuum one bag. Sorry, Manuel. This is the bag. If you need more space, you can remove this board. This board is only to make a less space so it doesn't vacuum so long. You have to put the bag inside. Can you film here, please? You have to put the bag inside. This is the seal tape, Teflon tape for sealing. It has to go inside like this. Now, clean is also pressed, so when you press again, it returns to vacuum. Now we're gonna vacuum one bag of Lossos so you see how it looks like. You press like this and then you leave. First few minutes or maybe first few bags, it's gonna be slow until it reaches 99 because the oil is not warm up. When the oil warms up, it's gonna be quicker to seal, to vacuum. And now it's gonna seal for 2 seconds and that's it. You can see that this is much better vacuum than the old ones. You can see there is no gaps in between and everything. That's it. When we shut it down, we shut it down like this. You close it and you put the lever so it keeps in, so it's not closed. That's it. Thank you for watching.